right, guys, so if you watched our Colorado series of Deadliest trails, we had a lot of people call us out and say that we weren't doing the hardest trails. That's what we're doing now, and we're at
Penrose, Colorado at the Independence Trail System.
This trail is rated a 4++. It was before they had a 0 or 1 to 10 rating, and they only had 1 to 4, so they rated it a 4++. Let's go hit it. Where'd you go? It's a little steep, huh?
It gets real right here.
Yeah. All right, so this is the start of Bunker Hill, and this is where the trail actually becomes a trail, and you know that you're on a 4++ trail. This right here is called Freedom Trail. It's really not a trail. It is just an exit to get out of the system, because this trail used to only be about the width of a rig. I've noticed it's gotten quite a bit wider. And the reason that they put that in is because people would bottleneck right here. They'd get to this point, freak out, not know what to do, and couldn't get back out of the trail.
I think my rig is too long. I'm gonna be sliding off. I already slid off twice and hit the rock rails pretty hard.
So Independence is one of Colorado's oldest hardcore Jeep trails. Before that, they used to have a trail called Rattler in Salida, but they closed it down. And when they closed it down, to give the four-wheel drive community the ability to be able to come in here and install the Independence Trail system. Of course, it's changed quite a bit over the years since we first opened it up. Can't lose on 42s. Nice.
So do you remember when George broke the windshield on the Morbear?
Yep.
Well, at the same time, he chipped my windshield. And just now, I haven't even gotten into the trail yet, and the chip turned into
a crack.
A giant crack.
You can't get a windshield in.
I have to build a whole new cage now.
So this is where the trail splits. Left is Liberty, which isn't as hard, and right is Patriot. And we're only just maybe 50 yards from Bunker Hill, where we just came down. So this is the one that you want to do if you're wanting to chase the harder trail.
It's only about 1/10 of a mile long, but it'll probably take a couple hours to work our way through. It looks, just from the start right here, it looks pretty gnarly.
I just scraped everything all the way up through there.
Oh, you're already in front dig. Woo! That's a rock. It's just your diff. It's just your rear diff. It's okay. Hold on. Turn into it. Try to help it out a little bit. Give it a little gas. Easy there. There you go. Now let the winch do the work. There you go. So now we're at air hole.
Air hole.
Air hole. Basically, most rigs get in here when their back end falls here, their front tire just skies out. I don't know if that's going to happen for me. One, because this rig's pretty stable. Two, I have water in the front. So if anything, it may try to sky out my back tire. We'll find out. Almost like I helped establish this trail and have done it 100,000 times and broken pretty much every place at one point or another. Back when Dana 44s were the big axles.
All right, Matt, just do that.
It's not a true representation. Just do that.
Nice. Hold on. Picture. Oh, picture. This is air hole. Go driver. Turn into it a little bit. It'll climb. Go driver. Real slow though, real slow. You got it.
Yeah! All it needed was a little Colt Kung Fu.
A little Colt Fu. I remember this rock being farther this way, and there was a bigger gap between the rock and a hole in the wall. But this is called Coffin Rock for obvious reasons. It could fit a mat.
Just because you had smaller tires back then.
Probably. And then right up there is the exit. This trail's that quick.
gonna need a bigger Coffin Rock for Colt.
That's a good
3-4 feet above me easily.
Oh, it's a puppy. Yes. Oh, Sally dog. Yes. Are you having fun 4-wheel then? Yeah.
One of the things that you can do with the Onyx system is download the maps at home on your computer, and then when you log in on your phone, you just go ahead and click download map. It'll bring those right in. What we want to do is download some offline maps. So we're looking for Penrose, Colorado. We'll search for that. As soon as we find that, we'll click on nearby trails. That's going to bring up the Independence Trail system. It'll zoom right in. Next, we want to come over here to offline maps. We're going to create a new offline map. You can do 5 mile, 10 mile, and 150 miles. So just click on 5 mile. You can put that anywhere you want. We're going to surround the whole trail system here. We're going to name that. Let's name it Indy, then click save. Now we can also make a 10-mile map, and I have a 150-mile map as well. That way, if I don't have cell service anywhere in this area, I can still find my way around. Now we're going to open our Onyx maps on our phone. We're going to go to offline maps, pull this up, and you'll see Indy is right there. We're going to click it to download it. And remember, you don't have to do any of this on your desktop, but sometimes it might be easier to plan ahead on your desktop, but you can do it all from your phone. Once that downloads, we're going to click that, and now we're ready to go.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Getting up there, front anyway.
That exit is no joke.
Easy, easy. That front tire is pinched on that side. Remember that. Can you front dig right now? Because that'd be a real good opportunity to do it. Turn like you got it. Whoa, whoa, easy. Right there. Now put it back and forth. Rear your other way. Put your rear that way. Keep your front this way. Everything you got. It's climbing. Yep. Keep your rear that way. Straighten out. Just you can come forward and let it straighten out if you need to. Looking good. Look good? Yeah, look good. Walk and run. There you go. Nice. Can't lose on 42s. Jeep cages are good for one roll, and then they're tweaked. You'll live most of the time, But you'll live, but they're good for one roll. That's it. That's they engineered them to do.
So if you roll twice right there, then you're just gone.
Yep, you're dead. Done. Done ski. Easy. Put it in front. Oh.
He's just catching.
Let it ride right there. Forward.
Hung up on a stick.
This is the old Minesweeper Trail. They actually closed it 20 years ago to a microscopic spore. They said this is before the off-road community had their stuff together and could come out and fight this. So this is our opportunity to tell you that you should probably join an off-road club, because they're the only ones that the National Forest and BLM are going to recognize when you are trying to fight a trail opening or keep a trail open. What do you think, Josh?
This place is awesome.
It needs to be reopened.
Alright guys, in our last series we chased Colorado's deadliest trails. This is Colorado's toughest trails.
We started here at Independence, and we're just moving on to tougher and tougher trails. This is Colorado's probably one of its oldest, toughest trails, so make sure you stay tuned. Oh yeah, and check these videos.
Right there.
Videos this way. Everybody point that way. Videos over there. Get them. See you guys next time. Don't break off the microscopic spores, Matt.